guys, it's me, Rowan, and welcome back to another video by me. And we are so excited because we got our squishy package from Silly Squishies.
We're covering this up because it has our address. But yeah, and
so
we ordered 4 things. So
we can't wait. But before we start opening that, we are on FaceTime with Holly.
Hey guys!
So her links will be in the description down
box
below because she has some really good videos. And also before we start, I am so sorry guys, you probably don't even care about this. Don't forget to give a like to this video. Let's see if we can hit the 5 likes. Yay! And don't forget to subscribe because it really helps out my channel and I think I'm getting way better at videos. So without further ado, I think we should get started. I forgot to add this into the intro. Try and count how many times Eleri takes the squishy or whatever out of my hand. Then comment down below how many times you saw. No, do not cut it like that.
Holly, just look at her.
Okay.
She's
All right.
super excited.
Alright.
We're holding it inside because we're filming a video here.
Alright, so guys, this is... Oh no!
This is like surgery.
Okay.
I don't want to ruin it. It's so cute.
I know, it is adorable.
We're only going to cut like the top so we don't ruin it that much. Oh my god. Guys, this is our first Silly Squishy package. I want to cry. You get the first peek.
I don't know if you can see that. Okay, first thing, pulling out is our, okay, we ordered a Hello Kitty cream puff right there. Sorry if you hear a lot of cackling. I'm showing it to Holly.
It's huge than I expected.
It's so big.
We got
It's
the
not
original.
licensed.
And
Got
then
the
this
original.
is its tag. Oh my god. Okay, can I squish it?
Yeah, and then I'll squish it out of the packaging. That's squishy. Okay, that's so squishy. Okay, now let's take it out. Oh my gosh, this is way bigger than I
Expected. We thought it would be like a mini.
textured.
Oh, I want to feel. Oh, it is so soft.
Oh my god.
Oh, and show the tag.
Okay, guys, look at this right here. Okay, and it says Hello Kitty Sweets Cafe. Showing it to Holly right there. Okay, now ready to squish it. Okay, this is such a good squishy. Definitely recommend it. Let's smell it. What does it smell like? Does it smell
Ooh,
good?
it smells like chemicals.
Oh, that smells like chemicals. Definitely.
But it's fine.
But I am so excited. It's our first squishy with the tag, Eleri. And it's
I
not
know.
licensed, but who cares about that? Okay.
Oh my god, it's so soft.
Okay, you can pull out the next thing. It's the Eric Banana.
It's the Eric Banana. This was way bigger. Oh my god, it's already so soft
Oh my god.
and so squishy. Okay. I literally don't want to get this out of packaging.
wait,
oh, it's right here. It's right
Squish
here.
it in the packaging.
Okay,
Okay, we both do it.
ready, set.
Oh my god. Whoa. Okay, here, can I take it out just because I don't really trust you? I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, and it's such cute packaging.
It's so cute. We're keeping this packaging too, just like in case.
Oh my gosh.
Is it? It's stretchy.
What? Don't stretch it too far.
It's not so stretchy, but it's really bendy, and it's so slow rising. Oh my god, it is so soft. It's quite stretchy. If you guys are wondering, I wouldn't just like stretch it. Oh my god, this is so soft,
amazing.
and it's so squishy.
Okay.
Oh god. Oh my god.
Yeah,
I'm
this
gonna
is
put
not the
this back in
stretchy
packaging.
banana.
This is not the stretchy banana. It is quite stretchy and it's very bendy. It's really soft and I totally recommend it. Rowan!
I know, because we don't need that packaging anyway.
No, we want to keep it.
Okay, guys, I can't get it in. There we go.
By the way, the packaging is...
Wait, What did it smell like?
resealable. Oh,
Chemicals.
it doesn't really smell like anything much. It smells a little bit like bananas to me.
Okay. Grab the
Oh,
next
this
thing.
is our extra. We got a
haichu.
grape haichu. Oh, this is our emoji fun. We got a crying face. Oh my god, it is so slow rising.
Okay.
And then this is the box for it, which
Okay.
I can put it in right now.
I'm gonna take this out. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry if this video is like super crazy.
Crazy.
Whoa.
It has a blue ball chain. We got the crying face, laughing out crying face.
Oh wow. I want to squish. I
It's-
haven't squished it yet. It's kind of like a mini panda button, but
But
way
it's
less
way-
dense.
Listen, dense, and it's super sticky. And here's the ball chain.
Okay, I'm grabbing the next thing out because that's the only thing left. And this is our blind bag. Okay.
So which one do you want? Do you want the panda,
Wait, show it.
the
Eleri.
duck, the mouse, the rabbit?
Okay, do you want the panda? Okay, I kind of want the mouse.
I kind of want
And the dog.
Pig or the cat or koala. I want all of
Okay,
them.
now let's see what it is.
By the way, we'll be keeping all.
It's the koala!
We got the koala! Oh, and it comes with no ball chain, but that's totally fine.
That's so cute.
It's so sticky. Ready, I'm gonna squish it. It's
Whoa.
more sticky than our emoji bun, but it's the same squishiness.
I've never even had a haichu.
And then this is the packaging.
Keep it in its pack. Okay, that is all that we ordered.
And that's what we got. What's this? Oh. Yeah, so
That's all that we ordered.
hope you guys enjoyed
Thank you
this
guys so
silly
much for
squishy
watching,
video.
and bye!